The Downloader app is one of the most popular tools used to install apps on a smart TV. It allows you to search for any app online, even if it's not on the Google Play Store. And you can install it directly into your TV. But here's the problem. Many people don't have the Downloader app available on their TV. So, what can you do? In this video, I'll show you how to install apps on your smart TV without using Downloader. Whether you're using an Android TV, Fire Stick, or any other type of smart TV. Let's get started. First, you need to understand something important. Smart TVs run different operating systems. Your TV could be using Android TV or Google TV, WebOS, Tizen OS, Vita OS, or another system. And the method you use depends on your TV's operating system. So, pay close attention to the section that applies to your device. If you're using an Android TV or a Google TV, the process is simple. Go to the Google Play Store and search for Downloader. If you find it, just install and use it. But if the Downloader app is not available, don't worry. There are alternatives. You can use apps like Send Files to TV or FireSend. Here's what to do. First, download the APK file of the app you want on your phone. So, I have this app I want to install on my TV on my phone already. Next, install Send Files to TV or FireSend on both your phone and your TV. I just install Send Files to TV on my phone. I will also go to my TV and install Send Files to TV. Open the app on both devices. Make sure they are both on the same Wi-Fi network, then click Send from your phone and Receive on your TV. From your phone, select the file you want to send, and just like that, the file will be transferred from your phone to TV. Once the file is transferred, open it on your TV and install it. And that's it. You've successfully installed an app on your TV without using Downloader. So, that is how to transfer and install apps on your Android and Google TV. Now, if you're using a TV with a different operating system like WebOS, Tizen, or Vita, there's something important you need to understand. Most apps people try to install manually are APK files. APK files are designed specifically for Android devices. That means they will only work on Android TV or Google TV and even your Android phone. If your TV is not running Android, APK files will not work. So, what can you do instead? For non-Android TVs, your only option is to use the built-in App Store. Every smart TV comes with its own App Store. For example, a Hisense TV running Vita OS has its own App Store. You can open it and search for the app you want. If the app is available, you can install it directly. But if it's not there, go to any browser on your TV and search Google if the developer of the app created a version for your TV operating system. For example, Surfshark did not create an app for Vita OS for Hisense TVS. I will also check for Tizen OS. And yes, Surfshark created a version for Samsung Tizen OS. Then you just need to visit the website and download the app if it's available, so that you can install it. But if it's not on the website, it means the developers did not create a version for your TV's operating system. Unfortunately, in that case, you won't be able to install that app on your TV. So remember, APK files only work on Android TVs. Non-Android TVs can only install apps from their official App Store. And that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.